Pankaj, I just want to focus also on the statement that was put out by Riya and Shauvik's father, Indrajit Chakrabarti. This was a brief statement that he put out late last night where he said, and I'm reading out of his statement now, "Congratulations, India. You've arrested my son. I'm sure next on the line is my daughter, and I don't know who is next thereafter. You have effectively demolished a middle-class family. But of course, for the sake of justice, everything is justified." That is the statement by Indrajit Chakrabarti, the pointers of which are also on your screens. And Pankaj, the family at large has been claiming that this is a witch hunt. You know, as you pointed out, Riya Chakrabarti has also spoken to us. She's categorically stated that while she will cooperate with the agencies, there's no question of her having ever consumed drugs. However, there is a lot of evidence that suggests otherwise, including those WhatsApp chats and now the statements given by the likes of Dipesh Sawant and Samuel Miranda that she will have to counter now.
Yes, of course, and that is the reason why the NCB says that Riya Chakrabarti is going to be questioned, cross-questioned in front of the people who are already arrested. Interestingly and importantly, Shauvik Chakrabarti, her brother, has already said that he was procuring drugs at the behest of Riya Chakrabarti. So this becomes very, very big. And the NCB says not only was Shauvik Chakrabarti procuring drugs for Sushant Singh Rajput, but he was also procuring drugs for many Bollywood celebrities. Already we had apprised the viewers that the NCB sources maintained that the entire, this little gang of the drug peddlers, which included Zayed, Basit, Kaisa and Ibrahim, and these people through Shauvik Chakrabarti were targeting the star kids as well, and also the A-listers in Bollywood. So this is a very, very big and a sensational story now. That's the reason why NCB says that their focus is not only on this very case, they are looking at the larger Bollywood and the drug mafia nexus. And since Riya Chakrabarti's name is coming up again and again in the various statements that have been given out, not just by the staffers of Sushant Singh Rajput, but also by the drug peddlers, that is Zayed and Basit, that now it becomes very, very critical for the NCB to question her and cross-question her so that they can get more information. Additionally, the NCB already has the statements that were recorded by the Enforcement Directorate and the financial statements that the Enforcement Directorate already has in its possession, which is already submitted to the Narcotics Control Bureau, which gives every detail about the transactions that took place and the procurement details as well. So the NCB officials say that they have a pretty tight case, but they are tight-lipped right now. They are not giving out much information, but clearly they maintain that they have many more names which are yet to be traced and many more people that are yet to be apprehended.
Let me take this across also to Divyesh Singh. He's joining us from outside the NCB office. That's where Riya Chakrabarti will be appearing in some time, in about 45 minutes from now, we're being told, for questioning by the NCB officials. Divyesh, is it likely that Riya Chakrabarti will be taken into custody? Her brother has already been arrested.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.